And with more animated wonderment next Sunday at 5:30 as Disney calls on the music of Tom Jones to support the Emperor's New Groove. Of course, it was in Tom's territory that England cleaned up in the Ashes yesterday, so instead of Mark Nicholas in Cardiff, you've got Ben Fogle in Namibia. After the news headlines next.